Okay, so people have been having trouble finding the flatbed trucks for the photographs. I'll just show you quickly. So, I photographed them. So if you see here, not owned, captured. So there they are. The black one, the blue one. I've photographed them. I'll show you where they go. So the first one, go to High Donut. And you want Cars Are a Pain for that one, to photograph it. Then for the second one, you want to go to Low Donut. And you want to go to the Rescue, and that gets you the blue one. And that's both of them cars on the back of the flatbed truck. You're welcome.